In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay at a store using PayPal. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to effortlessly connect PayPal as a payment method on your device, making your shopping experience smoother and more convenient. Now, let's dive in. First things first, grab your smartphone and navigate to the Play Store. This is where we'll begin the setup process. Once there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Give it a tap. This step brings up a menu with several options for managing your Google account and devices. Next, from the menu, look for the section labeled Payments and Subscriptions. Go ahead and click on that. This section is key because it houses all the payment methods currently linked to your account. Here you can manage existing methods or set up new ones, such as PayPal. On this page, you'll notice an option to add PayPal. Selecting this will kickstart the process of linking your PayPal account to your Play Store profile. It's a straightforward process that enables you to make purchases conveniently using PayPal. Upon clicking Add PayPal, you'll be greeted with a confirmation screen, prompting you to hit Continue. This step is crucial because it confirms your intention to connect your PayPal account. So go ahead and click on Continue to move forward in the process. This is where you'll need your PayPal login credentials. A login screen will appear, prompting you to enter your email and password associated with your PayPal account. Once you've provided this information, the system will work to securely connect your PayPal account to your Play Store payment methods. Remember to use strong, secure passwords to maintain the protection of your financial information. After successfully logging in, your PayPal account is now linked to your device as a payment option. This can be used not just for purchases within the Play Store, but also across other platforms that accept Google Pay. Now, when you're ready to make a purchase, simply select PayPal at the checkout. It's that simple and efficient. And there you have it, a seamless way to integrate PayPal into your payment options, enhancing your ability to shop with ease and confidence. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to pay at a store using PayPal. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more guides like this. Happy shopping!